Okay, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you how to buy crypto from Coinbase. So as you can see, I'm logged into my Coinbase account here now, and I'm going to go over to buy and sell. I'm going to pick which coin I want to buy. So having looked at the prices earlier, they're all very low at the moment, which is a great time to buy. On this video I'm going to show you how to buy Litecoin. It's at £22.90 at the moment. So I'm going to go to buy and sell. I'm going to pick Litecoin. You can see it's going up slightly. My bank account is already listed here. If yours isn't listed here, then you'll have to go to accounts, linked accounts, and set up your bank account there, and then it will appear here. And then it's asking me how much I want to spend in Great British Pounds or in Litecoin. I'm going to buy 5 Litecoin, which is going to be £119.61, and I'm going to purchase that. So now ask me if I want to confirm it. I'm going to click confirm buy. It's giving me a notification, thank you for my payment. And then it's going to ask me, just a bit of a verification going on there. Just to confirm it, it's now confirmed that it's been gone through successfully. My nice green tick there. I'm going to go view accounts and find my Litecoin wallet, and as you can see, it has landed in my account. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next video.